right now, the Mid-South certified most accurate forecast.
Well, talking about Tropical Storm Debbie, it has been a pretty active system. It blew up over the weekend into a hurricane last night, and it made its landfall early morning this morning as a Category 1 hurricane, 80-mile-per-hour winds. Now it's down to a tropical storm strength, 50-mile-per-hour winds, 994 millibars. Average sea surface pressure is around 1,013, so that's some relative drop there for you. But you see here on the infrared satellite, it started to lose a lot of energy in the core, some of those green colors, warmer temperatures, so lower clouds. But then just off the coast of Charleston, we're starting to see a band sparking up of some very heavy rain that's going to be coming into the South Carolina and Georgia coast over the next several hours. And not just then, the next several days as well. We've got an incredible amount of rain that's expected to fall around this region as it just sort of meanders here off the coast for a couple of days before it finally gets picked up by the jet stream and moves off towards the northeast. So the next 3 days, we have a level 4 out of 4 for the flooding threat, a high risk across the bend of Florida up through Charleston, a high risk into Georgia and South Carolina and Charleston for a third day under the high risk. This region is likely to see 20 to 30 inches of rainfall, a 1 in 1,000 chance for this to happen any given year. Back at home, we're still hot, temperatures in the 90s around here, but the dew points are around 70, doesn't feel so terrible. The dew points, though, are going to be dropping as some drier air is sucked in across the Mid-South as a result of the backside of Debbie as it starts to slide up. So that high pressure is keeping us clear. We're not looking at any chance for any rainfall for the next week. The high pressure really does stay with us, but we'll still see some of those daily clouds. It's not going to be anything major, but just enough to maybe knock the sun off you for a couple hours. Notice that northerly breeze, like I said, pulled in from the backside of Debbie over the next couple of days here. Lows tonight dropping back only into the mid-70s, then highs tomorrow. Again hot, but this will be the hottest we'll see for quite a while, at least until next week. As you look at your 7-day forecast, highs into the low 90s as we head through Friday, and then we've got 80s as we head into the weekend and the beginning of next week.